Alright guys, we got our new place. It's in this door. Oh, okay. Come in guys. Hey, how is the new place, Yoshi? Yeah, I actually really like the new place. I actually really like it. It's better than the old place we used to live in. Although there were a lot of great times when we lived to the old city we used to live in, but we're gonna have so much memories living in a new place. See, I told you it'll be better than the old city we used to live in. Yeah, I agree with Srippy, because the old city was really a crap. It was like a mess and stuff like that. Wow, I got a lot of dishes to do. Well, I'll do the dishes later, okay guys? We're gonna have supper in a bit.
Hey Creeper, what's for supper?
We're gonna have some steak and mashed potato and some vegetable for supper.
Okay.
Hey, you know what? I'm actually gonna go outside for some fresh air, okay? I'm gonna go to the park.
Okay, Yoshi, have fun, and also be careful.
Yeah, don't be late for supper, okay? Okay. Man, this is a good day at the park. Oh, hey there.
Hi!
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Oh, is this your camera or something?
Well, I'm actually giving it away to you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. You're a kind person. I guess I'll have it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm a kind person. I love to do this stuff. But anyway, I gotta get going.
Oh, see ya.
Bye!
Wow, she got me this camera. Wow. This is really cool. Wow. You know what? I'm gonna take this home. Oh, that must have been Yoshi. Yoshi, it's really late. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know what the time is. Oh, that's understandable, but your plate is in the oven, okay? Okay. Yoshi, where did you get that camera? Oh, when I was at the park, someone gave me this camera for free. Oh, that's cool, Yoshi. Anyways, I'm gonna have my supper. Oh my god. Okay, I guess we'll try out my new camera. I want to see if there's any video in there or something. Okay, I'll turn on the computer. Okay. Okay, computer's turned on. Oh, there's blood stain? Oh no. Anyway, is there an SD card? Oh yeah, there is. Okay. Plug this in. Okay, it works. Okay. Oh, it looks like there is some videos or something in the files. Okay, let's click on one of them. Let's see let's see what it is. What? I actually don't like this. This is almost scary. What am I watching? Oh my god. What the fuck did I just watch? What? She was not a good guy at all? What? What? What's this? I need to see the other one. Oh my god, this is scary. Fuck. This is scary. What is this? Oh my god, this is so scary. Oh my god. What the fuck am I watching? What the fuck did this person give me? This is a fucking snuff film. This is a fucking snuff film. Oh my god. What's that door? What's on that door? Wait, I'm gonna put this shit away. I'm gonna put this shit away. Someone's trying to do a prank on me or something. Guys, I have a question. Have you seen Yoshi lately?
No, I haven't seen him.
No, I haven't seen Yoshi. That's really weird. Yoshi would never do this. That's just really weird. I'm just gonna drink this.
Yeah, you're actually alright. Yoshi would never do this. I'm actually kind of worried now. Should we call a police to file a missing report?
Yeah, I think you're right, Srippy. You know what? I'm gonna call the police to see what happened. Oh, I'm ringing phone call. Who is this? 911, what's your emergency? Wait, is this Joey? Yes, I'm Joey. Oh wait, I recognize you. Oh, that's weird. I thought you work at the old city. Oh, so what happened is, the police department in the old city where I used to work told me that they want me to move to a different city to work as a police officer. So I had to accept that offer, and that's what I'm doing right now. Well, anyways, I think we're gonna file a missing report because we haven't seen a person named Yoshi since like last night, and he's not here. Like, we don't know what happened. It's okay, I'll come to your house like in 5 minutes. Yes, please, come to this place immediately. Okay? Oh, that must have been the cops. Okay, wait, what? The door is unlocked already? Okay. Hello, creeper. Okay, you can come in, Joey. Okay, guys, Joey, the police officer, is here. Alright, guys, I'm gonna tell you what happened to Yoshi. So, starting with you, Srippy the Tiger.
All I remember from Yoshi's last night, I said to him, like, hi, Yoshi, and Yoshi said hi to me, and he said he's just gonna, like, play games or something, watch a movie or something, and he's gonna go to bed. That's all I remember he told me he was gonna do.
Okay, Alan, you're next.
Well, to tell you the truth, I was sleeping right after supper, so I didn't even get to see Yoshi. The only time I saw Yoshi the last time was before he was going to the park.
Okay, you're good, Alan, and so are you, Jason, since you can't talk. And what about you, Creeper? The last time I seen him was like last night, like after supper was over. Yoshi just got back from the park because he was late, and he did tell me about this person at the park and gave him this camera for free. Wait a second, someone gave Yoshi a camera at the park? Yep, that's what he told me, and he even showed me the camera too, like just the box and stuff. Creeper, can you find that camera that Yoshi had? Okay, I'll do that. Okay, found the camera, Joey. Okay, let's see this. Oh wait, there's a blood stain. Oh my god. Okay. Interesting. Wait a second. Let me go play these videos. Okay, let's take a look at the footages. Okay. Now let's see the videos. Wait. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, so if you haven't seen the news, 2 days ago, there was a news where someone got murdered and they were selling this kind of camera here. I think this is the exact same one because the suspect looks like Pico, and also I don't know who this girl Fox is, but oh my god, Pico is on the loose. Oh my god, wait. Have you seen the news where like 100 prisoners escaped like a while ago?
I don't even know I want to move this fucking city. Wait, what?
Okay, so roughly over 100 prisoners have escaped from prison earlier today. Oh, You might be right about this, because you know why? Because when I was about to open the door just for you, the door was already open and nobody noticed it. So I think what happened is that I think last night Yoshi got kidnapped by Pico or that Fox girl or whatever. When Yoshi got this snuff film thing he was watching or something, because I think that camera had a tracking device or something, and that's why they didn't lock the door because Yoshi didn't have a key. So Pico just closed the door to seem like he just probably went on a walk or something to make it seem like he just ran away or something. I think that's what all it is. This all makes sense now. Okay, I gotta do this shit. Okay, you can't be having this because that's illegal materials. Okay, I will try to find Yoshi and track down the culprit about this shit.
Where am I? What? Where am I? What the hell? What? Okay. What? 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 I thought you were behind bars, Pico. Well, you see, Yoshi, I actually escaped from prison a few months ago. And actually, in fact, I went on the train coincidentally where you're on that train, the exact same train, to move to this new city. And I actually tracked you down and everything. I even teamed up with this girl named Paula Fox, that Fox girl. And we even went on Facebook Marketplace and even stole a camera and murdered them. And we put a tracking device and have Paula Fox give you the camera. What? Yes, and that's how it happened. You're a sick fuck. You know that? I know. And you know what? What is it? Take this. Oh! I got a snake. You fucking Yoshi.
You think you can escape from our torture chamber, Yoshi?
That's what you get for trying to escape, Yoshi. Take this, Yoshi. Let's leave Yoshi to die before the cops get us.
Okay.
Alright, what's that sound? Oh my god, it's Yoshi! Oh my god, get out of here, fucking snake! Oh, fuck you! Yoshi, are you okay? Oh, Joey, you saved me. Thank you. Oh my god, Yoshi, you're okay. Oh my god, we were so worried about you. What happened here? So what happened is Pico beat the crap out of you so badly that you need to be hospitalized. But you're okay right now. You're just badly injured. The doctor said you'll be getting healed in a few days. You'll be feeling better in a few days. Well, okay, that's pretty good. But any updates with Pico and Paula Fox? Unfortunately, they got away from it. But however, though, there are the most wanted people in the entire city right now. Oh, okay. At least there's awareness about that. Yoshi, that is true. But there's one thing I will say.
Be careful when strangers gives you nice things because you never know what the intentions are, even a person you knew, because you never know if they have a dark secret or not.
I think you're right about this.
Yeah, and that goes for everyone. Like, we all should be careful about this when people get nice things. Even if it's money, you never know.
Yeah, you're all right. Because sometimes we can't trust nice people.
Exactly. Because, like, especially people, like horrible people who are rich, have bad intentions.
Yeah, you're all right.
What matters to us is that we're all together.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're gonna, yeah, that's pretty much how to say it.
Okay.